top here, like this.
So how did you know how to do that?
Real tight. Okay, you hold on to that, and I'll wait till everybody gets their pipe cleaner on.
I don't know.
I'm coming over to help you. You kind of know how to do that.
Wait, how do you do it?
Okay, hold on to that. Madison, your dad's doing it. Samantha? Right like that. Over.
He's shedding.
Well, he is. Here you go.
Am I doing it right?
You are. You are. Cool. Okay, I'm coming.
Do you like that, Taylor?
Okay, but you gotta do a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna take McKenna's and show you what you gotta do.
Okay. La la.
You want me to start yours? So now what you do is take the orange first, kind of like.
Take the orange and do I'm going to spread it first. Make it all big and
Try to get the orange up on top like that.
my orange is on the bottom. So
That's all right.
but my black is on the top.
Okay, so now what you do, like Allison is doing, you just take and fluff up the black all the way around. Go real soft because it's tissue paper and it'll rip easy. See how that is? Then you're going to do the white after that and you'll have a Halloween flower.
Wait,
Can you
what?
see that?
Can I see how your Halloween flower looks now?
Real soft. Can you get yours started?
Let me see.
Or the black.
Wow.
That's the black. Now you do the black on this side too. This is real soft. Let's see. Let's do your orange first. Sure. How you doing, Allison? Good?
Good.
Hey, cool. You're on the right road. Okay, now go like this here. Be very careful because it's just tissue paper. You want to fluff up the black too. See how she's doing this? So you go all the way around and do both sides of the black. Then go around and do 2 whites and 2 orange. Get yours? Working on it? Get them? Hey, you're working out. But now you got to... Cool! Okay, so now you want to take and separate the black. Here. Be real careful. You want to do all the black and then pull it up. So go around and pull the black on both sides, then the white, and then the orange. Hey, look at that.
Mine's not right. Done. Here we
Wow.
go. Here we go.
That looks beautiful.
A perfect Halloween flower.
Perfect Halloween flower. It's gorgeous. You did a good job. Yay!